Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Oh, welcome if it's your first time. My name's Jasmine Condet and I am your local Greater Kalamazoo Realtor, helping you make the move to Kalamazoo. Today, we're going to just do a residential tour of a few Portage neighborhoods. But right now we're going to start down Portage Road. On the left-hand side, you'll see Ground Neck Lake. We're going to continue down this road and head to the Forest Hills neighborhood. Now we're approaching Bacon Street. On the right, you'll see an elementary school. It's pretty big, guys. I didn't drive over there. I will in another video, but it's called Lake Center Elementary. Check that school out, you guys. It's bigger than my high school that I went to. But yes, we're gonna continue down Bacon. Right now, this is entering into that Forest Hills neighborhood I was talking about. We are about to take a right-hand turn onto Southwest Nidge, and then we're gonna hit the first left that we get to onto Brittany Drive. There are about 4,185 residents in the Forest Hills neighborhood, with an average age of about 51, and it's majority homeowners, about 87% homeowners. I really love this neighborhood. I have family and friends in this neighborhood. It's very kid friendly and everyone's pretty neighborly. You usually can get a wave or a nod from a neighbor. And normally, you catch people out here walking their dogs. So definitely pet friendly. I love that they have sidewalks so the kids to come out and play. And um, a lot of people in the neighborhood know each other. So you definitely get that neighborly vibe around here. A few fun facts about Portage. You may know that they're known for pharmaceutical manufacturing, but did you know they're also known for celery agriculture? Not many people do, so don't feel bad. Another fun fact is minors under the age of 16 are not allowed outside between the hours of midnight and 6 a.m. unless they are accompanied by an adult. Speaking of six, you see how I rolled into that? Speaking of six, you are allowed to have up to six hens, but sorry guys, no roosters. And of course, there's some things that go into owning those hens, like getting a permit and what type of living space, where to keep their food, etc., etc. But just a few fun facts to think about while you're enjoying the rest of this drive. I'm sure at this point you're probably thinking, where the heck are we now? Well, we are actually right back onto Southwest Midge. So we just explored a little bit of the neighborhoods off of Southwest Midge. And now we are going north towards Center Street. So as we ride up here, you're going to see on the left hand side a baseball field and park area. And then as we continue to go forward, we are going to approach the Portage Central schools. So right here next to each other, you're going to see Portage Elementary, Middle, and High School. On the right hand side is going to come to Portage Middle School first. And then on the left across the street is the elementary school. And right next to the middle school is the high school. So we're going to take a loop around the middle school and a loop around the high school. Of course, my camera decided to die on me. So I pulled out my phone because I wanted you guys to get a glimpse of the Portage library. I'm just giving you a fair warning. My phone like drops and everything, so it gets a little wonky. But I'm going to end the tour over here. And let's let you guys know if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email or drop them below. I also have a direct link to book a free consultation with me if you are planning to move out here in the greater Kalamazoo area. So that link will take you directly to my scheduling page and we can have a free consultation. So until next time, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you later. Bye.